In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Wix. Whether you run an online store or a blog, having a seamless email marketing strategy is key, and integrating Mailchimp with Wix helps you achieve that with minimal fuss. So, let's jump right into the process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, we'll explore using Mailchimp's built-in integration option, which is arguably the most straightforward approach. Start by navigating to your Mailchimp dashboard. From there, head to the Integrations tab. Once you're in, look for Wix among the integration options available. This step essentially bridges your Mailchimp account with your Wix site. Click on Connect, which will prompt you to log into your Wix account. Make sure that you grant the necessary permissions for the integration. This is crucial for the two platforms to sync correctly. Next, decide which of your Wix contacts you wish to sync with Mailchimp. This could include site visitors, stores customers, or any other segment you might have. Once you've made your selection, you'll want to map the data fields from Wix to those in your Mailchimp audience. This means organizing fields like name and email so that they correspond between the two platforms. This ensures that your contact information is seamless and complete once transferred to Mailchimp. If the built-in integration doesn't fit your needs, don't worry. Wix offers another solution through its app market. Open your Wix account and go to the Wix app market, which you can find easily from your dashboard. In the search bar, type Mailchimp, and you'll see a variety of apps designed for this exact purpose. Some popular choices include Mailchimp Integration by Poco or Mailchimp Forms by Mailmunch. These applications simplify the process and offer additional features that could enhance your site's email collection capabilities. Once you choose an app, go ahead and install it. Follow the prompts to connect it to your Mailchimp account. For those interested in creating custom workflows, there's even more you can do. Automation platforms such as Zapier, Make.com, API or Pabbly Connect can serve as valuable tools for extending the capabilities of the Wix Mailchimp integration. With these platforms, you can create custom workflows tailored to your specific needs, whether it's syncing contacts, managing e-commerce data, or any other process you wish to automate. So there you have it, a detailed guide to integrating Mailchimp with Wix. By following these steps, you're well on your way to combining the power of Wix's web design and Mailchimp's email marketing, helping you to engage your audience more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Happy integrating!